Milledgeville has so many restaurants. How to decide where you're gonna eat tonight? Don't worry, GC460 is here to help you discover some of the best places. For this first episode, we decided to go to a restaurant in the heart of Milledgeville. So today we decided to go to Buffington to try out episode 1. Buffington is in downtown Milledgeville, and it's a popular hangout spot for karaoke nights on Tuesdays and trivia nights on Wednesdays. The menu offers a variety of food from burgers to soups, served in a rustic atmosphere. So there are plenty of choices. Okay, so they have snacks, soup, salad, sandwiches, burgers, desserts, plenty of choices. So I'm French and I found something quite interesting. The French dip. I have no idea what this is, so we can try if it's really French. And we might also order like some signature dish like the buff burger to try if it's good.
Alrighty, here we go guys. I've got a French dip with fried pickles and a buff burger with Swiss, okay?
So the French dip is made of a sliced ribeye, white American cheese, caramelized onions on a hoggy roll served with au jus, and cost around $8. As for the buff burgers, it is a beef burger featuring pickles, lettuce, onions, tomatoes, and a cheese of your choice, costing $7 to $8.
What are your
That's pretty good. So I've never seen fried pickles before, but I think it's kind of funny. We don't have that in France, but let's try it. I really like it. That's pretty good. This is a very good burger. I like the bread because it's not like classical fast food bread. It's more like crispy. And the beef is really good. You can see that it's quality beef. So about these fries, they're different from French fries for the shape, but they kind of taste the same. It's kind of good. So this was a really good meal. The quantities were just perfect. The buff burger was kind of big, so it was a bit hard to eat, but it was good. I really liked the French dip sandwich, which is not really French, but it was good anyway. And I was kind of surprised by the fried pickles, but I'm kind of convinced. So I had a great lunch. The atmosphere was really cool. The service was quite nice. Buffington have had 90 years of success downtown Milledgeville. Will there be more to come? Reporting for GC460, I'm Elise.